I am Dr. Mrinmoy Majumdar from Hydroinformatics specialization at IIT Agartala. From this specialization, we offer master degree and PhD in hydroinformatics engineering. As you know, this subject of hydroinformatics is a new subject. It is interdisciplinary subjects where we apply artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, Internet of Things, and integrated communication technologies to solve water resource related problems. For an example, if there is a river and you want to monitor the quality of water flowing through that river, then just taking one sample from that river and testing the sample will not give you the overall quality of the river water. You have to collect samples from different locations and that also continuously. So the machine that can monitor the quality of water of a river continuously, this machine is a product of hydroinformatics specialization. Or if you want to understand or control flood in real time, that means you have to monitor the water level at real time. So the mechanism that is involved to control flood in real time, that is a product of hydroinformatics. There is a clear differentiation between hydroinformatics and water resource. In case of water resource, there is no AI, no ML, no data science, no ICT, no IoT. They do it theoretically or in lab. But we do it with the help of all these advanced technologies. So if you want to know how we do it, how a real-time monitoring device can be developed, how from your home you can control all your tap water, filter water. From your mobile phone you can open the water tap and fill up your water tank. So how to do it, how to develop that type of apps. So this is the subject of hydroinformatics engineering. It is completely different from water resource. Okay, so in case of NIT Agartala in Tripura, we are the first one to offer MTech in hydroinformatics. It was started in the year of 2010 and it is still running. Our students are now placed in Larsen & Toubro, L&T, then Siemens, then Asta Constructions, then other various uh, top graded companies where there is a section in water resource. You can see our ex-students or alumni working there. Not only in industry, in case of higher education also, like PhD in IIT. In case of IIT Kharagpur, there are our students. In case of IIT Roorkee, there is our student. In case of IIT Bombay, you can find our student. Not only doctorate, also in postdoc, many students of after passing out their MTech from hydroinformatics, they are now doing their postdoc in Germany, in Czechoslovakia, in Italy. So there is a lot of promise in this course. And now is the era of data science, AI, ML, etc. Wherever you go, application of these technologies are there. So how to use these technologies in water resource and solve the problem in real time. So yeah, if you want to learn that, then you must opt for MTech in hydroinformatics. And this MTech in hydroinformatics is accepted in all government, non-government, PSU, and all other industries. There is no blockage or no restriction for uh, recruiting the alumni or the students passing out from this MTech course. It is just like any other MTech course, but it is developed for the current as well as future requirements of industry. Okay, so uh, as a section in church, I want to say that I am here working for the last 10 to 12 years. Already nearly 10 batches, more than 10 batches has passed out. They are already placed or doing their higher education. And yes, within them already completed their higher education and doing their job in NITs and IITs as a faculty. So scope is lot. There is lot of scope, but you have to realize that, and you have to enroll for this course to know what is the prospect of this course, what is there in this course. Thank you for your giving me time to say something about this new course. That is all from my end. Thank you.